Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Roblox account is active and secured. That avoids lockouts. Once done, install and update Roblox to the latest build so Brookhaven assets load correctly. Next, launch Brookhaven and pick a populated public server to access standard item spawns and interactions. Make sure to let the map finish loading before interacting. Otherwise, assets like hand models or interactive props won't appear. This sequence gets you into the correct session environment quickly and reliably. Once in the world, move to high-density spawn areas, house interiors, hospital, and school, because interactive props and hand-enabled items commonly spawn there. Use precise clicks and the context menu to pick up or equip objects. Tap keybinds if available for faster grabs. If items are player-synced, coordinate a simple trade or cooperative trigger so both clients register the hand-equipped state. Make sure to repeat pickup attempts after a short wait. Network lag or partial loads often require a second try to complete the action. Finish by checking that hands or held objects appear correctly in both first-person and third-person views. That ensures other players see them too. If the item fails to show, relog or rejoin the same server to force asset reload. This resolves most desync issues. If problems persist, capture screenshots, note the server and time, and report to the Brookhaven devs so they can fix the spawn or sync bug. One key tip: try switching camera modes before relogging to trigger a quicker refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.